Microsoft Teams is a communication solution that allows workplace communication via chat and video. It integrates well with most Office 365 products, making it an advantage for most organizations. Although this is a solid performing platform, there are instances when certain issues can occur. In this latest installment of our troubleshooting series, we will tackle the Microsoft Teams webcam not working issue. First, make sure to let Microsoft Teams have access to use the camera. The first thing you will need to do is to verify that the application is given access to use your camera hardware. Click on the Start button. This is located on the lower left side of the screen. Then, click on Settings. This will open a settings window. Click on Privacy. This is usually the second to the last choice at the bottom of the settings window. Click on Camera. This is located on the left pane. Turn on the switch to allow apps to access your camera. Then, update your webcam drivers. You need to make sure that you have the correct and updated webcam drivers installed in your computer. To do this, right-click on the Start button. Click on Device Manager. Click the forward arrow just before Imaging Devices. Then, right-click on your webcam. Then click on Update Driver. Then, click on Search automatically for updated driver software. After the new driver has installed, restart your computer. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.